geometry and trigonometry questions make up a big part of SAT math. The good news is that most of them come from a small set of formulas and patterns. In this lesson, we will cover angles and lines, triangles and special right triangles, circles, area and volume formulas, basic trigonometry, and SAT shortcuts and traps. By the end, you will be ready to solve geometry and trig questions quickly and accurately. Part 1. Angles and lines. Here are the most important angle facts. Complementary angles add to 90 degrees. Supplementary angles add to 180 degrees. Vertical angles are equal, and angles on a straight line add to 180 degrees. Let's visualize these quickly. Here are two intersecting lines. The opposite angles are vertical angles, and they are equal. Part 2. Triangle basics. The sum of the angles in any triangle is 180 degrees, and the area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height. Part 3. The Pythagorean Theorem for right triangles. A squared plus b squared equals c squared. And remember common triples: 3, 4, 5, 5, 12, 13, and 8, 15, 17. Part 4. Special right triangles. The 45, 45, 90 triangle has sides x, x, and x root 2. The 30, 60, 90 triangle has sides x, x root 3, and 2x. These show up a lot on the SAT. Part 5. Circles. Circumference is 2 pi r. Area is pi r squared. Arc length and sector area may also appear, so always pay attention to the radius. Part 6. Volume formulas. Rectangular prism volume is length times width times height. Cylinder volume is pi r squared h. Sphere volume is 4/3 pi r cubed. Part 7. Basic trigonometry. In a right triangle, sine is opposite over hypotenuse. Cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse. Tangent is opposite over adjacent. Part 8. Common SAT mistakes to avoid. Using the wrong triangle ratio, forgetting to square the radius, mixing diameter and radius, and forgetting units. Part 9. Speed strategies. Memorize the core formulas, recognize special triangles, draw diagrams, and label known values. Today you learned angles and triangle rules, circle formulas, area and volume, special right triangles, and basic trigonometry. In the next lesson, we will do a complete SAT math review and test day strategy guide. Follow for more SAT math lessons, formulas, and proven strategies.